Welcome to the in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So let's first select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with this one, then just hold for a while your device screen with a finger and you'll see here the widgets icon. After that, here you can see all the available applications, which widgets you can add. For example, we can use the calendar app, we can add a regular calendar or a schedule. Just to add the widget, hold it and drag it to the position where you want to add it. For example, here on the left upper corner. If you want to resize the widget, just hold it, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller by this way. We can move this widget here on the screen by hold and drag it, for example here, and if you want, you can create a new screen with a widget. That's not a problem, as can you see. After that, just we can also move this widget between the screens also, and if you want to remove the widget, just hold it and drag it here to the remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.